Hey, hello, Jack Tubbs from the J Team at Realty One in Surprise, Arizona. Wishing you a fantastic Tuesday. Hope everything's going great for you today. Hey, just real quick check-in today. And I know I say that a lot, but this should be a quick check-in. Hey, we've been talking a lot about the market itself. You know, I did a market update just a few days ago telling you how great the market is here on the West Valley and Phoenix. But I just wanted to look at the nation pictures as a whole because there's still a lot of people out there saying that, hey, we're waiting for that bubble to burst. But unfortunately, we don't have any data that supports that. And I wanted to share that with you today. I'm a regular subscriber to Housing Wire, which they kind of cover a lot of mortgage issues, but they also talk about real estate, housing starts, new home builds, existing home sales, all that kind of stuff. And they put out just another chart that, once again, that shows that, hey, if we're looking for a bubble, it's not anytime soon. And we still haven't made it to the high point when we did see a bubble burst back in like 2007, 2008, when things just kind of started falling off a cliff right there. But one of the things I want to share with you is just looking at what's happened over the past month. And I know this chart is kind of small, but you should be able to see it. And it could show you just enough of what's still going on here. If you look right here and you see right here, you still see an upcline as we finish out 2020. You can read that at the bottom here, is that we're close to the end of 2020. And of course, there's 2008, 2009, when we did see that big bubble burst. You see that big drop. Then when we sat stagnant for a few years as we started the climb back up. You can see where we hit the high point, where COVID-19 came in. We hit the down point, and then we it was almost a checkpoint recovery. But boom, it just went right back up, and you can see at the very end here, we still see the numbers decline. And so that shows us that we're not anywhere close to a bubble burst because we still have an increasing market. Prices have still continued to increase, but the mortgage rate continues to drop, which is going to encourage buyers to buy, which is also going to encourage prices to rise. And as prices rise, that's going to encourage sellers to sell. And they can do both. They can get more money for their house, take advantage of the low mortgage rates, and buy more house than what they had so they can make those move-up buys. So this is really awesome news, and this is on a nationwide scale. It's not just what's happening here in the Valley and Phoenix, but you're going to see, if we were to break down the numbers just for the Valley and Phoenix, you're going to see that those numbers are the same, if not better, because once again, right now we're in a very enviable position here in the Valley of Phoenix. As a matter of fact, almost the entire state of Arizona, as we have people emigrating from the West Coast into our great state, as we continue to see employers take advantage of the tax environment that the state government has put together that makes it a very comfortable place for businesses to move to. We continue to see projects like Microsoft, Bill Gates' City of the Future, and all the data storage facilities that he's building. We see other companies moving in, Red Bull, Ball, a lot of different companies are moving to the Valley, and they're bringing jobs with them. So this has also made us a very popular area to move into right now. We even see the luxury segment of the market being very robust, where the luxury market, it sells, but it doesn't move at a pace usually at, homes say about 400,000 and below move, but it's almost neck and neck with that market right now. So this is a very awesome thing. So looking for a bubble to burst, I would say it's not coming anytime soon. If we look at the Housing Wire article here, they still show us with that data, and they look at prices continue to rise. We're still going to sell more homes this year than we did last year, both new build and existing homes. So this is it's a fantastic market. Sellers, it's time to sell. Buyers, it's time to buy. That's all I can continue to say. We don't see a bubble anywhere in the near future right now. If we look at the data, it continues to show us on a climb. So if I can help you in any way, please feel free to reach out to me. You can dial me direct at 248-330-7972. That's 248-330-7972. Or you can email me, jack@that's the letter J, team.house. Or you can call the office and talk to any of my team members, 623-252-4061. That's 623-252-4061. Hey, this is Jack at the J Team and Surprise, Arizona, wishing you a fantastic Tuesday. I'll be back with you tomorrow with a little bit more about what's going on in the Phoenix real estate market. Have a great day.